If you've been following our channel or keeping up with the latest developments in astronomy, you're probably already aware that the James Webb Space Telescope is about to completely transform the way we view the universe. In September of last year, NASA released a breathtaking image from this super telescope that caused an absolute stir in the scientific community and beyond. The image showcased the icy blue planet Neptune in the clearest detail we've had in over 30 years. Neptune, one of the least explored and most mysterious planets in our solar system, has finally been revealed in incredible new detail. Before we dive deep into the astonishing mysteries of Neptune, we'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest videos. If you're fascinated by space exploration and enjoy learning about groundbreaking discoveries, give us a like at the end of this video. Now, let's explore some fascinating facts about Neptune, our enigmatic blue planet, sitting on the far edge of our solar system. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun and, following Pluto's reclassification as a dwarf planet in 2006, it now holds the title of being the last major planet in our solar system. Despite its position as the outermost planet, Neptune is far from the least interesting. In fact, it is the fourth largest planet by diameter, the third most massive, and the densest planet in the solar system. With a mass 17 times greater than that of Earth, Neptune is only slightly more massive than its near twin, Uranus. The planet is composed primarily of gases, liquid water, and ice, making it an ice giant. A single orbit around the Sun takes Neptune an astounding 64.8 Earth years, traveling a distance of 2.8 billion miles. To put this into perspective, if you were born on Neptune, you wouldn't even celebrate your first full orbit around the Sun until you were in your mid-60s. Neptune's discovery is also a story of mathematics and precision. It was the first planet to be discovered through the use of mathematical calculations, rather than direct observation. While Galileo Galilei first spotted the faint blue object in the 17th century, he mistakenly identified it as a star. It wasn't until 1846 that British mathematician John Couch Adams accurately predicted the presence of a planet beyond Uranus using careful calculations. Around the same time, French astronomer Urbain Le Verrier independently reached similar conclusions. And then, on September 23, 1846, German astronomer Johann Gottfried Galle confirmed the existence of Neptune through direct observation at the Berlin Observatory. One of the most striking features of Neptune is its signature deep blue color, a result of methane in its atmosphere absorbing red and infrared light. This peculiar vibrational pattern in methane molecules causes the planet's characteristic hue, which led to Neptune being named after the Roman god of the sea. While the planet's color may be striking, Neptune remains one of the least studied planets in our solar system, with much of its atmosphere and surface remaining a mystery. Over the decades, observations of Neptune's atmosphere have shown dramatic changes in its structure, sparking both intrigue and concern among scientists. The first close-up images of Neptune were captured by NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft during its flyby in 1989, 12 years after its launch in 1977. However, Neptune wasn't Voyager's primary destination. The spacecraft was designed to fly through the entire solar system, gathering data on a variety of planets, before eventually heading into interstellar space. For the next 3 decades, these Voyager images remained the best and most detailed we had of Neptune. Even the Hubble Space Telescope, which provided stunning images of the planet, couldn't match the clarity that scientists had long hoped for.
That all changed in September 2022, with the arrival of the James Webb Space Telescope. For the first time in over 3 decades, Neptune was observed in a completely new light. Using its powerful near-infrared camera, NIRCam, Webb captured an image of Neptune that was nothing short of groundbreaking. The planet appeared almost black against the backdrop of space, a result of methane gas in its atmosphere absorbing red and infrared light. Bright stripes and spots in the image were revealed to be clouds of methane ice, reflecting sunlight and appearing white, showcasing details of Neptune's fine ring system for the first time in decades. The image revealed more than just the rings, it also showed intricate features of Neptune's atmosphere. A thin, bright line encircles the planet's equator, indicating strong atmospheric circulations, violent winds, and intense storms raging across the planet's surface. For astronomers, the images from Webb mark a major milestone in Neptune research, providing long-awaited compensation for NASA's lack of funding for a dedicated Neptune probe. As we continue to explore Neptune's secrets, we're reminded that the processes occurring on its surface remain some of the last great mysteries of our solar system. In 1989, Voyager 2 discovered what came to be known as the Great Dark Spot, a massive storm in Neptune's southern hemisphere, resembling Jupiter's Great Red Spot. In 1994, a team of researchers using the Hubble Space Telescope attempted to study this Great Dark Spot in more detail. Although Neptune's storms are shorter-lived than Jupiter's, the winds on this distant planet are beyond intense. Some of Neptune's storms reach speeds of up to 1,350 miles per hour, making it the undisputed storm champion of the solar system. For comparison, the most violent tropical cyclones on Earth top out around 186 miles per hour. So, you definitely wouldn't want to be caught in a storm on Neptune. In 2020, scientists were thrown into confusion when a new storm, wider than Earth's Atlantic Ocean, was observed in Neptune's northern hemisphere. Discovered in 2018, the storm had been monitored by researchers at the University of California at Berkeley. By 2019, the storm began drifting toward Neptune's equator, a region where storms typically dissipate. But to their astonishment, Hubble's observations in August 2020 revealed that the vortex had reversed course and was heading back toward the north. This behavior was completely unexpected, leaving researchers wondering if this was a rare anomaly or something more significant. The largest storm ever observed by Hubble on Neptune was a massive 4,600 miles in diameter. Researchers have been tracking this storm since 1993 and have witnessed it seemingly disappear multiple times, only to reappear not far from its previous location. Some scientists speculate that these storms may not truly disappear but instead rage beneath Neptune's icy clouds, only to resurface once again. Scientists are eager to learn more about these mysterious storms. One idea is that a probe sent to Neptune, much like the Cassini mission to Saturn, could finally give us the answers we've been seeking. This probe would pass through Neptune's layers, giving us unprecedented data about its atmosphere and interior. While this remains an ambitious goal, it's likely that Neptune will eventually receive its own dedicated mission, potentially as part of a broader search for the elusive Planet X. This hypothetical planet is believed to be orbiting the Sun beyond Neptune in a highly eccentric orbit, so distant that it has yet to be observed by any current telescopes. If Planet X exists, it could have an orbital period of up to 1,000 years, making it visible to modern telescopes only once every few centuries. Now, let's take a final look at that stunning new image from the James Webb Space Telescope. If you noticed a strange blue-green glow in the background, you might have wondered what it was. It may look like a brilliantly shining star, but in fact, it's a moon.